I'm now going to show you how to operate the Observ. We have three different machines, one of 300, one of 500 and one of 520. And this is the 520, and I'm going to take you through how to operate the 520. You can see here, now that we've switched the power on, there's a green standby mode. We need to press this button and it will turn blue. Here in the display you'll see the Observ 520. And then I'm going to explain to you about the different 5-mode settings that we have. We have the daylight mode, the UV mode, we have the woods mode, we have the cross-polarized and the parallel polarized mode. Each of the modes illuminates the skin in a different way. It allows you to visualize the skin conditions appearing at the surface or in the deeper layers of the skin. So the first light I'm going to show you is the daylight mode, as we see our skin in the daylight. I press the button, it highlights in the middle, and I'm just going to show you what it's like. The device is equipped with 6 light emitters, which generate a natural daylight. The light is projected onto the skin in a very homogeneous way by these 6 diffusing reflectors. In this way, the skin is illuminated by a shadow-free shower of light, and it allows you to observe the skin in a natural daylight setting, which is the same for each time you do a skin analysis. The daylight mode is always the starting mode of all skin analysis. Now for the UV mode, which is this one here. The UV mode is a kind of special mode, because in this mode the 6 emitters generate invisible but harmless UV rays. This UV light is turned into visible fluorescence when absorbed by the skin. Basically, the light you are seeing is not light reflecting from the skin, but light which is generated by the skin. Effectively, the skin itself is turned into a lamp. You will see later that this mode gives you a totally new perspective of looking at the skin. It is like the skin is being illuminated from the back with a light torch, showing off the skin's concerns, which are still hidden in the skin and may surface in time when not addressed. You will find out that this mode is probably one of the most powerful methods to analyse the skin conditions. And now for the woods mode, which is this one here. The woods mode is very similar to the UV mode. It is also based upon the principle of skin fluorescence. The difference is that in this mode, the light spectrum of classified woods lamp is simulated. Now the woods lamp has been used for over 100 years by dermatologists and skin therapists to identify skin concerns. In this mode, the Observ simulates the classical and well accepted woods light. Okay, now for the parallel mode, which is this one here. The parallel mode, well, this mode which makes the textures of the skin more visible. The 3 lights illuminate the skin in a directional way. This focused light reflects on the fine surface textures of the skin, making even the finest details of the skin's microrelief visible. Now for the cross-polarization mode, which is this one here. This mode is almost a magical mode. In this mode, these 6 lights are turned on. Because of the use of the special filters, it suppresses the surface shine and allows you to look inside the skin without being disturbed by light reflecting on the skin surface.